Thank you for tuning in, and welcome to Errant Update. It'll be a quick one again this week. I don't have a lot I want to talk about, but there is some. Beer asked if I have yet played the new Necrons and how I find them. Excuse me. And I have in quite a few games actually. Me and Sleeping Bear has been getting a lot of games in, and it's been really great. And while I think that the Necrons are still powerful, they are by no means as up as they were in 7th edition, and I like that a lot. I feel that they are more powerful than they were in the Index, and that's a given and a good thing. And I think while there are still quite a few units I have not faced, I feel that the internal balance of the force is much more interesting now. It's there are fewer no-brainers and more units that can actually fulfill certain roles, and yeah. All in all, I feel that they are a way more well-rounded army now. I definitely need to paint up some more units for Sleeping Bear so that we can test out more. But all in all, we have been getting a lot of games in. Not just me and Sleeping Bear. Mother Nurgle has been playing 40k like a crazy person. We've had Ronan out playing. What was that? That was 2 games this weekend, so they will be coming up in the near future. And all in all, on the battle report area, I think you'll be able to really see a learning curve over the next weeks. We're getting better at the rules, we're getting better at filming, and I think our tactics and general overview is getting quite a lot sharper too. So yeah, loads of battle reports being filmed these days. We're having a lot of fun with that. And speaking of battle reports, tomorrow will be Necrons versus Dark Angels. So that's one of the part 1 of 2. Not that the battle itself is split, but after playing the battle, we decided to play another one and use the same narrative, basically. Tuesday is Thursday rather, is Shadespire Tactics with Lasfar and Mother Nurgle. And Saturday is a Night Errant episode about Errant Letters, our new show, which is also this week's Sunday slot. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy that. And I think it's a pretty great week we've put together. And if you have any questions for me, as always, feel free to post them below. I love to have something to talk about in these Monday chats. It doesn't really have to be questions, actually. You can post a link to your channel and I'll go have a look at it and stuff like that. So feel free, and until next time, take care and bye bye.